Biological soil amendments of animal origin are biological soil amendments which consist, in whole or in part, of materials of animal origin such as manure or non-fecal animal byproducts, including animal mortalities or table waste, alone or in combination. On small farms, the primary mode of fertilizing the crop may be through the use of BSAAOs. This is especially true for farms growing organic produce. It's critical to be able to know what to look for to trigger the right questions in an inspection. It is not uncommon for small farms that have a mixture of crops and livestock to store manure for long periods in an inconspicuous pile. This pile may be directly adjacent to the production area, or it may be a short distance away. Over time, this pile may become covered in vegetation and begin to resemble a curious hill in otherwise flat ground. Aged or stacked manure is not an active compost treatment process under the produce safety rule and must be handled, conveyed, and stored as raw manure. In the course of growing and selling fresh produce, growers may pile culled fruits and vegetables near the production area. These culls may build up over time and not be spread onto the field until after the growing season is finished. Cull piles are most likely to be found in small operations that also have a pack house. Cull piles are lower risk than stacked manure and are not considered BSAAO unless table scraps or animal feces such as dog poop are added. Small growers have been known to spray fish emulsion, compost tea, and other liquid BSAAO preparations directly onto the plant. They may apply these liquid preparations with the exact same equipment they use for application of pesticides, and may apply them with pesticides. Many factors, including to what degree the BSAAO was treated, the quality of the water, and the potential of any additives, play into determining the risk of application. Growers with drip irrigation may opt to inject liquid BSAAO into their irrigation systems. A backflow preventer is usually installed upstream from the injection point to prevent the fertilizer from fouling the rest of the system. This is usually a very targeted way to deliver fertilizer to the plant. It is generally considered low risk because of minimal contact with the plant. Specifically when injecting liquid BSAAOs, growers need to plan for leaks. Though uncommon, leaks are a potential hazard that must be considered. Though seemingly inefficient, hand application may be used on small farms that may be covered under the rule. Growers may or may not consider any off-site movement of the BSAAO due to wind, or ensuring their hands and equipment, including boots and clothing, are washed and/or changed prior to commencement of other activities. The treatment level of BSAAO plays a large part in determining the risk of this type of application.